welcome to chemistry class. And today's class promises to be exciting, interesting, and educative. The topic for today is called atoms and ions. Atoms and ions. And under the topic atoms and ions, you will learn about the meaning of atoms and ions. You will also get to see the differences between atoms and ions. Do you know that you can't see atoms, but they make up everything around you? Your chair, your desk, the birds outside, even you. Atoms are the foundation of matter, which is everything that makes up the universe around us. And so, an atom is the smallest unit of matter that has the characteristic properties of a chemical element. An atom is the smallest unit of matter that has the characteristic properties of a chemical element. Every atom has a center, which is called the nucleus. Every atom has a center, which is called the nucleus. An atom consists of three basic properties. They are the protons, electrons, and neutrons. The protons have a positive charge, the electrons have a negative charge, and neutrons have no charge at all, zero charge. The protons and neutrons are found at the center of the nucleus of an atom, and the electrons move outside the nucleus in spaces called electron shells. An electron shell is the name given to the different layers of spaces that the electrons occupy. Electrons move around the nucleus in designated areas called electron shells. While the proton and neutrons are found in the nucleus of an atom, the electrons move around the nucleus in spaces called the electron shells. Ions are charged particles. Ions are charged particles. They can either be positively charged or negatively charged. An atom that loses one or more electrons becomes positively charged. But an atom that gains or acquires electrons becomes negatively charged. And so an ion is formed when an atom loses or gains electrons. Now, what are some differences between atoms and ions? An atom is the fundamental unit of all matter, while an ion is an atom that has a net electrical charge. And the second difference is that an atom is neutrally charged, but ion is positively or negatively charged. An atom has no charge at all, it is neutral, but an ion can either be positive or a negative charge. The third difference is an atom is not attracted to an electrical field, but an ion is attracted to electrical field according to their electrical charge. And of course, the last difference between an atom and ion is that an atom is composed of equal number of electrons and protons, but an ion is composed of unequal number of electrons and protons. Now, what do atoms and ions have in common? atoms can become ions. Atoms and ions have electrons that can be exchanged. In conclusion, while atom is the smallest unit of matter, an ion are charged particles which can either be positive or negatively charged. And with that, we have come to the end of today's lesson. I will see you in the next class. Bye for now.